Why is gut health connected to Parkinson's? Imagine your gut and brain are having a constant conversation. Recent research shows that this connection might be more important in Parkinson's disease than we once thought. The key player here is the microbiome, which is the community of tiny microorganisms living in your digestive system. These bacteria help digest food, produce important molecules, and even communicate with your brain through a complex network called the gut-brain axis. Scientists have found that people with Parkinson's often have a different balance of gut bacteria compared to healthy individuals. There tends to be an overgrowth of bacteria that might cause inflammation and a decrease in beneficial bacteria that produce molecules called short-chain fatty acids. These fatty acids are vital because they support both gut and brain health by providing energy and acting as signals. When these helpful bacteria are reduced, it can lead to increased inflammation and possibly contribute to nerve cell damage seen in Parkinson's. Another fascinating aspect is the role of a protein called alpha-synuclein. In Parkinson's, this protein clumps together in the brain, causing nerve damage. Evidence suggests that alpha-synuclein may first start accumulating in the gut's nervous system, known as the enteric nervous system, before traveling to the brain through the vagus nerve. This process could explain early symptoms like constipation and stomach issues that many people with Parkinson's experience long before movement problems appear. Gut inflammation is also a concern. When the gut lining becomes inflamed, possibly due to microbial imbalance or infections, it can lead to oxidative stress. This stress damages nerve cells that produce dopamine, a neurotransmitter essential for controlling movement. Damaged dopamine-producing cells can worsen Parkinson's symptoms. Some bacteria may even produce molecules that mimic alpha-synuclein, potentially triggering harmful protein clumping and further disease progression. The gut microbiome doesn't just influence disease development, it also affects how well Parkinson's treatments work. For example, the primary medication used to manage symptoms is Levodopa. Certain gut bacteria can metabolize Levodopa, reducing its effectiveness and making symptom control more challenging. Research also shows similarities between the gut bacteria of people with Parkinson's and those with inflammatory bowel disease. This suggests that chronic gut inflammation might increase the risk of developing Parkinson's. Animal studies support this idea too. Mice with gut microbes similar to those found in Parkinson's patients tend to develop symptoms faster, while germ-free mice show slower progression. Transferring gut bacteria from Parkinson's patients into mice can worsen their motor symptoms, hinting at a possible causal role of the microbiome. While these findings are promising, it's important to remember that much research is still needed. Scientists are exploring therapies that might modify the gut microbiome or reduce gut inflammation to slow or prevent Parkinson's. These emerging approaches are exciting but requiring rigorous testing in clinical trials to ensure safety and effectiveness. If you or someone you care for has Parkinson's, always consult healthcare professionals before considering any new treatments related to gut health. Staying informed about ongoing research and future therapies is helpful, but it is essential to relying on evidence-based medicine. Understanding the connection between gut health and Parkinson's opens new doors for potential treatments, but it remains a complex area that continues to evolve.